Well, hello guys. So in this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram filters problem easy and fast. All what you have to do guys is very simple and easy. Just go to the settings on your phone like this, scroll down and go to the apps, and after that go to the apps right here. Now on this page, all what you have to do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading and then scroll down like this until you find Instagram and click on it. And now all what you have to do is very simple. Just click on the storage, click on this option, clear data and clear cache, go back, click on the force stop option, and then all what you have to do now is just go to the Play Store and go to the search bar and search for Instagram, and after that click here on the update, and after that restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.